Now I am entering into thick forest. Last time my interest was just to find the animals. That side I couldn't, but this side I think I can find. Let us go inside. Wow. This time also I am going alone, as you know that I don't have any fear. Nothing happens here. Generally the animals don't attack the human beings. Nothing to worry. This time let us see how is our luck. Rustling sound you can hear. The people from far distance shouting. I can hear that. Going, see this tree, how big these trees are. Tall. Some are big and tall and a thick forest this is. Wow. It is going to rain, I think so. The sky is cloudy. Here you see these trees. These trees are mango trees. You can't believe that. It is true. These trees are mango trees. Yeah. Wow.